Welcome to Seed and Faith. Today I'm going to speak to you on a marvelous topic, making yourself valuable. We all seek success in our life and we are after success always. We spend a lot of time, money and energy to find out a solution for being successful. My dear friends, if you are seeking success in life, make yourself valuable. You may think how I can become valuable. The answer is within you. Yes, you possess a unique gift within you. You must find it and refine it to make yourself valuable. We all know gold. It is in the dust. The miners seek it, then it is refined in fire and it is made valuable. Aren't we much more valuable than gold? We save money to invest on gold since it's valuable. But think for a minute. How much you invest on yourself to make yourself valuable? If I ask you for what people remember you, what will be your answer? We always remember great personalities because they have made themselves valuable. If I say Mahatma Gandhi, you remember freedom. If I say Mahendra Singh Dhoni, you remember cricket. You should become one day for something you are remembered for. Today I would like to suggest to you something to make yourself valuable. Number 1, utilize your time. How you utilize your time reveals who you are. Lazy hands produce poverty. So be diligent in utilizing your time to make yourself valuable. Spend your time in such a way which help you to refine your gifts. Number 2, environment. Environment is very important to grow your gifts. A good environment can be a place where you can associate with good people to work on your area of interest. Always keep your environment positive to become successful. Never allow negative environment and people to ruin your life. Number 3, dedication. Dedication is a key factor for a successful life. Anything we do, we need dedication. You need to dedicate good time and resources for your growth. Make yourself valuable through sincere dedication towards your goal. Read a lot. Associate with good people who help you to make yourself valuable. Refine yourself until you shine like a gold jewelry. My dear friends, success comes all your way when you make yourself valuable. So don't seek success. Rather, make yourself valuable. People will come and search for your gifts as they seek gold and diamonds. Thank you.